Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you the function of short key Ctrl+A. First we will check what it will do in MS Word. I have opened one MS Word file and now I will press Ctrl+A, Ctrl+A. So you can see that when I press Ctrl+A key, it has selected all the data in MS Word file. Now I will show you what it will do in MS Excel file. So this is my Excel file. First I will click here where I have data. I will click here and then I will press Ctrl+A. You can see it has selected all the contents, all the data when I pressed Ctrl+A key. Now I will click outside of the data. Here I have clicked here. Now I will press Ctrl button plus A. Now you can see it has selected the entire sheet, entire Excel sheet. So when you will click here inside the data and you will press Ctrl+A, it will select only the data cells. But when you will click outside the data cells, it will select all the entire sheet. Now we will check the function of Ctrl+A in our window. I will open this folder. I will press Ctrl+A. Now you can see when I press Ctrl+A key, it has selected all the files in the folder and the all subfolder in the main folder. So these are the function of Ctrl+A key in Windows 10 or even in Windows 7 and in Windows 11. When you press Ctrl+A, it will select all the contents inside the folder. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this video.